With artificial intelligence and robots rapidly taking over everything, this video provides you with a list of the top futuristic robots that you can buy in 2024. If you want to feel like you're in the Transformer movie and live with robots, this video is for you. At the end of this video, you'll know the types of robots to buy, their functions, and how much they're worth. And watch out for the last robot on the video. It's a life changer. First on the list is one that will definitely catch the lady's eye. It's the Moley Robotics Chefbot, and its operations are in the kitchen. But you see, this one is not just your normal kitchen appliance. It's a robotic master chef that will enhance the way you cook and eat. Think of it like your personal kitchen assistant. The Moley Robotics, with this robot, introduced the world's first robotic chef. This robot is to cater for business individuals or families that can't afford to spend much time in the kitchen, and for people like me that suck at cooking. One of the impressive features of this robot is its top-notch multitasking skill. With its impressive robotic arms, with about 24 joints, it can mimic complex human actions and do impressive tasks. It can chop vegetables, decorate plates like fancy chefs in fancy restaurants, and stir sauce. Also, just like you can give special instructions to chefs, you can do something very similar with the Chefbot. You can adjust portion size, input special recipes, and even specify dietary restrictions. But trust me, this robot doesn't just follow instructions. With its vast library of recipes and ability to mimic renowned chefs, you don't have to give too much instruction before it creates magic in the kitchen. I know you're already thinking about purchasing this. Well, it is worth about $335,000. I know what you're thinking. It's really expensive. The thing is, Moley doesn't want it to go mainstream yet, but they hope to introduce more accessible versions later this year. But the next robot on the list is already very much accessible, and it is the Thermonator. This robot is one of the coolest on this list. It reminds me of the dragons in Game of Thrones. Just that this time it's not a dragon, it's a dog. The Thermonator is a revolutionary flamethrowing robot dog. This robot dog was developed by Throwflame. They are a Cleveland, Ohio-based company that specializes in flamethrower innovations. This robot dog is not for cuddles or playtime, but mainly for industrial use. The Thermonator attends to issues like wildlife control, snow and ice removal, and artificial management, weed control. But that's not all. This robot dog can be controlled using a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection. It only makes sense for it to be that way, because I don't think anyone wants to stay close to an operational flamethrower that can deliver up to 30 feet stream of fire. This robot dog also comes with first-person view navigation. With this feature, the user is able to get a first-person view of the surroundings and also to properly utilize the robot. Unlike the first robot I talked about in this video, the Thermonator is a lot more accessible and is currently priced at $9,420. With a price like this and special abilities like the remote control and first-person view feature, this robot is perfect for people into flamethrowers. But let's talk about a robot that's supposed to stay inside the house with us. That takes us to the next robot in this list, the Eilik Robot Pet. The Eilik Robot Pet is strictly a companion robot. It was designed by Energize Labs, and believe me when I say this, it perfectly fits the role of a companion as it provides emotional support and enhances interactions between humans and robots. This robot does not provide next-level physical functions, but it is more concerned with interactions and bringing a touch of love and friendliness to your home. This robot is perfect for kids and even office workers facing long, strenuous hours at work. It will be nice to have a talk buddy with you at work, right? The Eilik robot, due to its top-notch emotional intelligence, can express different emotions and thrive in social interaction. This robot is also able to play some mini-games with you, and even with other Eiliks. Yes, you heard that right. This robot recognizes other robots of its kind and interacts with them. So imagine what a house with a bunch of Eiliks will be like. There won't be any dull moments. This robot is a lot more accessible and cheaper than the other ones I mentioned already. With $100 to $150, you can get yourself some Eilik. So what are you waiting for? Place an order for one today. But if you were feeling skeptical, I have another companion robot that will make you pull out your credit card. The Ballie. The Ballie is another domestic companion robot, but this time designed by Samsung. This one is an innovative AI-powered robot that is designed for one thing only, and that is to serve as a life companion that enhances day-to-day experiences and practices. This one can move, by the way. Unlike the Eilik robot, this one moves by rolling. But similar to the Eilik, the Ballie serves the same audience, as it is supposed to seamlessly blend into your smart home ecosystem and provide assistance and entertainment with its playful personality. We all know how revolutionary Samsung is. Ballie is just another reflection of that. With this robot, you can easily connect with the Samsung smart devices in your home. You can control the lights, appliances, thermostats, security cameras with the Ballie app, or even just your voice. But there's more. This robot has front and rear cameras, providing it with elite object recognition and navigation system. This thing moves like humans as it avoids obstacles, people, and pets on the way. It also has built-in speakers that can play music and respond to sounds based on context. Now for the price. Although there isn't a confirmed official price yet, the robot is speculated to be around $1,000 to $2,000. But let's wait for an official statement from Samsung. Maybe we'll be able to buy for a cheaper amount, who knows? We may not know the exact price of this robot, but the next one on the list is one with a confirmed price and amazing look. It is the Robohon robot. The Robohon robot was developed by Sharp and Tomotaka Takashi, a project associate professor at the University of Tokyo's Research Center for Advanced Science and Technology. This robot is to operate like a smartphone but with 2 legs. Yes, I know, it's mind-blowing. But wait till you hear the impressive features. One of these features is the robot's humanoid design. This robot can walk, talk, even dance if you want it to. And its ability to be controlled by voice even makes it act more human and makes it an amazing companion. But you see, that's not all. It can even recognize faces and relate to people it knows on a more personal level. Stay with me, guys. There's more to this robot. It is equipped with laser projection that makes it able to project pictures and videos on screens and walls, taking its value in terms of entertainment to the next level. But don't get carried away. Remember, I said this robot is to operate like a smartphone. Just that this time, it offers more than making phone calls or surfing the internet. This robot will be of great value to not just homeowners, but also business professionals, as its voice command features and its impressive ability to act like a personal assistant make these business professionals stay connected and manage tasks. The Robohon robot is currently priced at approximately $1,800. The Robohon robot is about half the price of the last robot I'll be showing you in this video. This one is a real life changer. It is the Seergrills Perfecta. Imagine a grill that is AI powered. Well, my friends, that is exactly what the Seergrill is. There are a couple of reasons why this robot stands out and why you should get yourself one as soon as possible. First, it can cook at an unbelievable speed. It can cook chicken and fish in less than 3 minutes. It can even cook a burger less than 2 minutes. And trust me, it's not just about the speed. It still cooks very effectively. With its AI algorithm and smart sensors, it can cook to perfection. It's able to sense the thickness of the food and the temperature, make sure that the food is not over or undercooked. To top that, with its touchscreen interface, the user can customize and choose the exact thickness and cut size they want, all for $3,500. And that's it for today, guys. Futuristic robots you can buy in 2024. Head to the comment section and type the robot you'll be getting or will love to own. And don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You don't want to miss more content like this. Have a good day.